One of the strategies that we have found to be most effective in the classroom is experience-driven engagement. We don't just want to teach science, we want to teach our students to become scientists. We don't want to teach math, we want to teach students to become mathematicians and so on. But to do that, they've got to be immersed in the learning.
Many years ago, Hope and I decided we are going to bring experiences to our students. And what we have done is we have created environments inside of our classrooms called room transformations. We've done everything from Super Mario Brothers to Jurassic Park to NASCAR, Spy Lab, you name it. But what we've done is we've attached the content to that, and we really wanted to bring this to you, to the teachers, to the schools, in a more sustainable way.
Yeah, because we get questions all the time, like, where do you store all this stuff? How do you have time to do this? How do you hang all the things? And so we really started working with our team and saying, how can we make room transformations happen with the snap of a finger? Let's check it out. So welcome to the Engagement Lab and welcome to Jurassic Park. Now, this background and scene and environment is so amazing. But we said we want to empower the teachers with endless ideas and endless opportunities at the snap of a finger. So maybe we don't want to go to Jurassic Park for the day, but instead we want to become a toy in Andy's room. So check out Toy Story and see how quickly we were able to transform the space. Now, of course, we would want to change the table to pour up just a bit, maybe some slinkies or some toys on the table, but that is such a simple change to make. Or maybe we don't want to become a toy, but instead we want to become a spy in a spy lab. Here we go. The kids are instantly transported to another environment. Or maybe we want to take them on a nature adventure through Jumanji, and you're taking them through the game of Jumanji and integrating all of your content with maybe even an escape room. Or, I don't know, maybe you're reading a novel, a popular one called Harry Potter, and you want to take them to the Great Hall. So as you can see, the opportunities here and the possibilities are endless, and it's a simple file that the teachers can take and design with any scenario or scene that they want.
The background sets the scene,
but you can elevate it by adding simple table decorations. These are just little drop cloths, inflatable animals, hats, vests for the students. This can be as little or as big as you would like it. But hold on a second. We're not quite dressed for the occasion.
No, we're not.
Let's try this.
That's more like it.
But how did we make all of this happen?
Educators around the country are recreating room transformations every day. And we really want to try and find a way to make it easier on educators. And as more and more schools are transitioning to smart boards and touch panels, there's a surplus of projectors out there. And so we were able to take 2 or 3 projectors, put them in a classroom, and now teachers can transform the room with the click of a button.
Some people might think that going to these extremes is a little bit unnecessary, but we really do believe in the power of an environment. We know that it can affect your mood. We know that a certain type of place may not be a place kids want to be. And so we're really passionate about making spaces that kids are excited about, feel good in, kids feel comfortable in, and a place where learning and different environments come to life.
When you're talking to administrators, when you get down to the nitty-gritty of it all, everyone's concerned about student growth. That's what it's about for a lot of people. So as a former administrator, I saw in schools when we brought engaging environments and room transformations and made school a place that was fun for kids, that they wanted to succeed. They wanted to grow. They wanted to learn.
If you are interested in bringing an engagement lab to your campus, visit getyourteachon.com for more information.